what is a disciple that he's talking? See? We talk about disciples, and sometimes people come and tell me that they are disciples. Well, disciples has one trademark. What is it? He disciplines himself. That's it. Disciple is the human being, woman or man, doesn't matter, that is disciplining himself. And that's a very, very beautiful way to find thyself where you are. Are you disciplining? In what way? Take from physical plane. Do you have physical discipline? For example, eating habits, sleeping habits, drinking habits, this or that. Is there discipline? Then take emotional discipline, mental discipline. Then even very average discipline. Are you going early morning to your job at the right time, doing your right job at your office, and coming back at the right time? Is there discipline? What about discipline making the right amount of money and taking care of yourself or taking care for other people? See, the life is discipline. Now, when you start disciplining, eventually, when no more you need discipline, you become disciple. Did you see that? Disciple is one that doesn't need any discipline because he is discipline itself. He doesn't make efforts to discipline himself. He is disciplined. You see, as for example, you have a child and he comes from the school, rests a little, opens his books and makes the homework. Early morning he gets up, washes himself, this or that, again studies a little. Now, you don't discipline this child, he's disciple, he's doing it. Did you see that? So eventually you are going to be disciples, and maybe understanding this kind of definition will help you. That first you must pass through discipline, and then you become a disciple.